Hello, baby. Baby's first
Mami, oh.
pumpkin patch.
And maraming pagpapapicturean dito guys. Ang dami nilang mga decoration, mga spooky, mga ganyan haunted house, and mga nagsasalitang skeleton. Tapos yung mga sumasayaw at nagsasalitang mga tractors. Ang dami, as in, hindi ko maubusan ng activities. And ang dami rin pagkain dito. Grabe. Sulit and masaya talaga siya kasama ang pamilya. So, after naming mag-rides, nag-picture-picture na lang kami dyan. Hapon na kasi yan, guys. And malapit na rin kaming umuwi. Actually, umuwi kami mga mga 7 o'clock. Nag-dinner na rin kami dyan, guys. Ayan, pipicture lang sila ate. Ako yung taga-picture nila dyan. Tapos naglaro lang dyan si Katchi sa mga playground. And kaka 5 months lang ni baby, kaya naisipan din namin mamasyal.
Sheller here. I am a 1929 authentic corn sheller. Life on a farm was hard work for a truck like me, but now they finally let me relax. I'll tell you what though, I'm still ready to work if they need me. Just a quick tune-up and a little corn roll.
Cat! Chef!
Well, we'll play an instrumental number, and this one's called Carter Country. It goes like this.